Good medical morning. This is Adam from World's Greatest Medical, and today we have a special about arthritis. Let's take a look right about now. Arthritis is an inflammation of the joints. It can affect one joint or multiple joints. There are more than 100 types of arthritis with different causes and treatments. Two of the most common types of arthritis are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, known as OA and RA, respectively. Osteoarthritis is a common, long-lasting type of joint pain. It occurs where two bones come together, like in your knee joints. And did you know that arthritis is the leading cause of disability in the United States? It's often caused by obesity and obesity-related conditions. One of the major reasons is the additional weight on your knee or joints can cause arthritis to flare up. So with that being said, it only makes sense that weight loss can help prevent arthritis as well as soothe some of the problems associated with arthritis pain. If you're watching on a social media platform, go ahead and leave us a comment below. Tell us about your arthritis. When did you first develop it? Where is your arthritis? And for how long have you had it? Personally, my joint pain is more so at the wrists and hands, probably associated with typing and using my hands all day. Here's an example of extreme arthritis of the hands. Ouch! So to diagnose arthritis, your doctor will consider your symptoms, perform a physical examination to check swollen joints and/or loss of motion, and use blood tests and x-rays to confirm the diagnosis. X-rays and blood tests also help distinguish the type of arthritis. For example, most people with rheumatoid arthritis have antibodies called rheumatoid factors, or RF, in their blood. Although RF may be also present with other disorders, it's pretty common. X-rays are used to diagnose osteoarthritis, typically revealing a loss of cartilage, bone spurs, and extreme cases have rubbing of bone against bone. Again, if you're watching on social media, go ahead and leave a comment below. Have you been diagnosed with arthritis? And what type of arthritis do you actually have? One type of arthritis is called juvenile arthritis. In juvenile arthritis, that means it's affecting people under 16 years of age. Furthermore, juvenile arthritis is an autoimmune disease. That means the immune system, which normally protects the body from foreign substances, attacks the body instead. The disease is also idiopathic, which means that no other exact cause is known. Researchers believe that juvenile arthritis may be related to genetics, certain infections, and environmental triggers. And here are some interesting arthritis facts by arthritis.org. By conservative estimates, about 54 million adults have doctor-diagnosed arthritis. Meanwhile, almost 300,000 babies and children have arthritis or a similar condition. The most common type of arthritis is osteoarthritis, which affects an estimated 31 million Americans. The number of people expected to have doctor-diagnosed arthritis by the year 2040 in the United States alone is 78 million people. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from World's Greatest Medical. Make sure to click like and subscribe and check out some of our other videos. We love having you here, we love your comments, and we love the medical discussion that you provide.